Looks small and very rotten.
I see some not so good signs already, but look at where we are.
I know, I said right before we got out of the car, this is a great neighborhood. What's the square footage?
On tax records, it's a 3.2, 1,200-ish square feet.
That's small.
They want $890 for it.
So this is off market?
This is off market, yeah. We maybe have a view in the back.
Well, let's go see.
Yeah.
Look at this driveway.
Wow. The paint just ends right here. This is definitely the old portion of the house.
So it's good, it's more than 1,200 square feet, but we would have to permit it.
Yeah.
There's a hole in it. Wow. There's doors to nothing.
Holy. Doors out to fall of death.
Yeah, so this definitely needs a deck. Look at the view. You have one, you might as well capitalize on it.
I know.
Wow, it's really bad over here.
What is holding up the corner of this house?
Just from outside, you're at like 200. Just from outside. Siding, windows, roof, plumbing, electrical, foundation.
Crazy thing is that a lot of that money is in things that we don't get to see.
It always is. Ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man. Cat?
Dog.
Is there any live ones in here? What is all that on the walls?
I think it's just dirt.
This smell.
The smell is the worst. The kitchen.
I mean, there's stuff everywhere. You got a door leading out to your garage.
We have to rework this whole layout. Okay, so this is a
All
bathroom.
right, so it's like the guest bath.
And then there's vanities behind there.
Broken mirror. Well, guess what?
Why are you touching
We got
that?
some extra green tile.
Well, let's keep going. What's in the bedroom? This is a weird shaped room.
Look at how deep it goes, though.
It's a big space, but it's laid
This
out
is like-
so weird. Foundation is sloping like this.
I mean, it's going like this.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what's over here.
We got
That
another bedroom.
smell is so bad. This is not a
geez.
bedroom. This is extremely small. How is that one massive? And this is a tiny little shoebox.
I mean, what is this? It has an ensuite?
Yeah.
Oh, don't even look at
I'm
that
not going
toilet.
to. I'm not going to. Happy Easter.
It is.
This is the only good sized normal bedroom we've encountered. This is the primary.
Gotta be the primary. Jeez, look at the floors
I know.
in here.
I'm literally
falling down to that
falling
corner.
this way.
I can see through the closet.
Well, look
as
at the roof.
I mean, we got a massive hole right here.
This is water damage.
Obviously, we need a new roof.
Okay, so this is a bathroom.
Right.
This house is a lot. If you put that on my head, I will freaking karate chop you. This is the addition.
Original covered patio that they decided to enclose.
Okay, well, this is where all the
this
animals
is the
were hanging
smell
out.
is back here.
There's live birds living in this house. I can't stay in here very long.
What are they using this space for? Like a,
I think they were just leaving their animals and letting them. There's a hole where you could just, hey, just, don't worry, just shishi. All this subfloor has to come
get
up.
pulled. This might sound crazy, but I kind of love this house.
I see the potential, but I can't cruise back here with you because it's disgusting. I'm gonna get a sinus infection.
I looked at comps in the area
Yeah.
at close to 2,000 square feet. And for that size of a house,
Yeah.
we're looking at a right around 1.5 to 1.6 million on an Airbnb. I'm leaning towards the higher end.
6, yeah.
So 1.6, if we take out your rental cost of $290,
Right.
then holding and money costs and selling costs of $200,000,
Yeah.
we're looking at like a $200,000 profit.
Yeah. That's the deal all day long.
Let's make it happen. Now we just need to try and design this new layout to make sense.
Smells so bad in here.
Oh, it smells better than it did. Everything has to go. Drywall has to go, subfloor has to go, because it's just soaked.
So the challenge is gonna be, we need to figure out how to add a 4th bedroom.
And a 2-car garage.
An empty shell and
It'll be a lot easier. But I call the kitchen.
Go, go, go.
The crew got to work right away replacing the beams that needed to go and adding new ones, as well as replacing the subfloor. That's brand new, that's brand new. It looks good. With the foundation now safe, the crew is able to finish up demo. Today we need to finalize the layout and we have to fit a 4th bedroom in here.
Amazing.
Chong,
Yeah.
it looks good, it feels good.
It's level now. Yeah.
And this is all new subfloor.
New subfloor. Yes.
It looks solid down there. Okay, well now that you fixed the foundation and you replaced the subfloor and you have temp framing up, we came here to talk to you about the floor plan.
Floor plan.
You guys working through with me?
Yeah.
We'll walk through it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so the front door is now gonna be in this vicinity and then the kitchen is here. This is still garage right here.
Yeah.
And the garage will extend into the old living room space.
Just like that kind
Okay,
of
so where I'm
style.
standing right now though, where the old kitchen was, is garage.
All right.
Then you have bedrooms. Okay, so we have our 4th bedroom, but we had to sacrifice the size of each bedroom a bit, especially because we made the garage larger to accommodate a 2nd car. But 4 is the magic number.
And with the deck in the back.
But the deck is gonna go for the whole back of the house, the whole duration of the back. So after the kitchen, then you have just this large living area.
I mean, you get a straight shot. You walk in the front door, you see
That's the main
all the way
thing.
back. Like, we have such a dope view of Kailua here, we have to accentuate it, right?
Yes.
Chong's crew has already begun to raise the height of the ceiling.
Tristyn told me it was gonna cost $30,000. That's a lot of money. Unlike the foundation issues, which we budgeted for, this is a new expense that raises our overall budget and could totally eat into our profit.
The crew is now framing for double wall construction in the interior. Next up is framing for the new deck.
Materials?
Wait, it looks good in here.
Dude, I mean, they're jamming, babe. It feels like a lot taller.
I think it feels amazing.
Brighter in here.
Well, look at this. It's massive. It
Yeah.
makes a huge difference. That thing weighs as much as I do.
That was hilarious.
Ta-da!
Nice. We've asked our friend and fellow investor, Keone, to come over and get a little sneak peek before we list the property and see what he thinks.
Hey.
What's cracking? How's it going?
Nice to see you.
What's up,
What's
brother?
up, homie?
Good to see you, man.
How's it?
What?
This is it.
Shebang.
Wicked cool.
Add some feature, add some color so that it just pops from the street.
Realtors are going to be bringing their clients and like pulling up, right? And it's like, oh.
Well, that's the reaction we want.
Yeah.
So this front portion right here, was it already open, or you guys had to open this up?
This was just a carport.
Just a carport on
and
this
then
side.
the front door was actually on the side of the house, which was kind of weird. We made the garage bigger because it was like a 1-car carport.
So now it's a 2-car.
Now it's a 2-car
Two-car.
garage. But we had to fully rework the inside because it just made no sense.
It was in horrible condition, bro. Foundation, it was terrible. I mean, the inside was rough. There was a lot of junk in there, but thing is they also had pets in here.
Whole back of the house was like an enclosed patio. It had just subfloor, and it's like they just let the animals live in there. Pee, poop, whatever. So I couldn't even
Oh, the
be in
aroma.
there.
Yeah.
It was bad, bro.
Just looking on the outside, I'm excited to go in already.
I want to take you inside.
Oh, wow,
Let's
it's so
go.
cool.
Come on, let's go.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Wow.
What do you
love it.
think about the kitchen being right here? When
Well, this
you
is
walk
where it
in?
all happens. Yeah, I love it.
Originally, this is where the living room was. The kitchen was set back around that corner.
Skylights. I see skylights above our head.
Yeah.
Was this there, or you guys literally created the skylights?
So we raised it and then we added the skylights because it felt dark.
That's why as soon as you open that door, it's like, wow.
Yeah.
You've already impressed her already, right? In
Yeah.
my
100%.
opinion.
Yeah. You just sprinkle things in through the house to make that even more
Yeah.
climactic.
You guys just make those judgment calls, and we know it's gonna pay dividends.
We recessed this pantry because we didn't have a ton of storage space, right?
Wicked.
Right?
Cool. I
Love
love
it.
this look. And then I think the next thing that catches me is your backsplash.
Yep. Isn't that so cute?
I love that.
Yeah. And it is very busy tile, but it's still super interesting.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
you're saying busy, but this
Yeah.
is almost geometrical, right? There's
Yes.
cubes and
Yeah.
all that,
Yeah.
but it doesn't feel that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where to next, guys?
I
Yeah.
think we go down the first hallway where we have a bedroom and laundry. You know me, if I can
Yeah.
bring laundry inside, I'm absolutely gonna do that.
This right here,
Yeah.
this is a selling point right
It
here.
is. This is the first bedroom of the home that's staged as an office.
We didn't want super small
Yeah,
bedrooms.
no, it feels good.
All right, let's go check out the dining area. This was literally like a wall.
There was a
So
wall
there was
here.
like this old school wood paneled, super dark bathroom. And then this was a tiny bedroom.
This area already feels nice.
You know, I do open floor plans, but they each have their own spaces. And I think putting a light actually allows you to create a designated space. Go down this hallway.
Let's check it out.
The hall bath,
Oh, yeah.
I went with some busy tile and it gives the retro flair. Like, you know, there you see some geometric shape.
It's that pop that you always like.
Yep.
But it's not overly done.
Bedroom straight ahead.
Oh, yeah. Super cool.
It doesn't
Yeah.
feel small, right?
Yeah, like, I mean, it's a standard bedroom. It
Yeah.
feels like it's 10 by 10 or bigger.
Yeah. And then you have another bedroom right here. So this is your third bedroom.
Yep.
I know I've said it for every room so far, guys, but man, the feel of it, it still feels good.
All of these bedrooms on this side, our hassle was like figuring out how we can fit them all on this side, be the specific size.
1, 2, 3, and then you'll see the 4.
These are very, very roomy rooms.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
you're trying to set a vibe, right?
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
an actual essence, right? Like you're trying to, like, I'm feeling it.
Living
Living room.
I know I caught a glimpse of it, obviously, when we were coming in, but as I'm standing in this thing, it actually feels, again, I keep using the word big, but it feels good. Oh my gosh, like
Yeah.
the vision again.
Yeah.
So cool.
Big part of the enclosed patio became the primary bedroom.
Oh, primary. Nice.
So we wanted to make this the biggest room.
Mission accomplished. But at the end of the day, the way we look at it as investors, like we got to take care of the people who are actually paying the mortgage.
Exactly.
Exactly.
You have a huge
Huge
walk-in
walk-in
closet.
closet.
Is it a walk-in? Oh, it is. It's
Yeah.
so big that you guys put an actual
A lounge chair.
lounge
Yeah.
chair in
Yeah,
there. Very
perfect.
nice. Natural light from the time you enter.
And what's behind you is the primary ensuite.
Nice.
Simple.
Yeah.
In this area, it was gross
Yeah,
back here.
yeah. To me, it feels like a spa.
Yes, you guys knocked it out of the park. You're carrying all of the same, everything continuous. Because the other one was the darker one, right?
Yes.
But I think the theme that you said it throughout, the grand feel. I think from the time we walked in, this is what we're trying to create.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, I feel it. I feel it, and I'm sure buyers are gonna feel the same way as well.
Well, let's get to like the tippy top of the grand with what's out there.
Cool.
Yeah. One more special feature. Here we have
Zuit bar.
Nice. Is this something that you guys always try to include?
If we
this?
can.
Okay.
Yeah, we were really trying to figure out what we were gonna do here because if you look at it, it is kind of a tricky spot, right?
Yeah,
Like
it
you're
gets
walking
narrow.
through your living room, saw the
Bar.
plumbing wall, we're like, we gotta do a wet bar
Yeah.
here.
From an investment standpoint, it works.
Exactly.
Yeah, it is a great call for your actual potential buyers just because this is what they would expect.
Yeah.
When you're in this price point and people understand what this neighborhood represents,
Right.
they're like, okay, okay.
And then
Okay.
let's go to the deck.
Oh, this is a huge deck.
So when we bought the house, this wasn't here.
And the reason why we did this is because we didn't have a lot of outdoor usable yard space. But wherever we could put grass, we put grass. Now you can spend time outside and enjoy the view because you have a view. Keohu Hills, you
This
know?
is Kailua.
Super nice, yeah.
Now we get down to the nitty gritty. Seeing everything now, what do you think you would list the house at?
Yeah, the numbers is a tricky thing. It's the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, to get to this number.
Right.
So I don't know where you guys are at. It shouldn't be an issue and you wouldn't get questioned if you're anywhere between 1.4 to 1.5.
It's a little bit lower.
I don't know where you guys are at, but like it feels that way where like that number would make sense in this neighborhood. Anywhere between 1.4 to 1.5. Is that far off?
It's
or?
a little bit lower, I'll be completely honest,
Yeah.
but it's not far off at all. I feel like we price right under 1.6 and try and not sit on the market for a super, super long
Yeah.
time. Between 1.575 and 1.590. But we are also very aggressive. So we don't get the interest, we move right away, and we'll still have enough space in there to still be profitable.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
What's up, sissy? I brought the ukulele down.
Oh, let me see. Let me check it out.
Yeah.
Knowing where this house was and all of the work that went into it, it feels amazing.
This song is called Makuahine. Makuahine.
And it's just another house, another local family, another neighborhood improves, and it just makes me keep wanting to do it over and over and over again.
Let's go.
Aloha.
Thank you. We ended up listing the property for $1.59 million, and the house sat a lot longer than we thought it was going to.
We ended up reducing the price by $25,000 and accepted an offer just above asking.
We purchased the property for $915,000.
We definitely had our fair share of problems when it came to the renovation of this home. We got hit with a $30,000 ceiling raise, $6,000 skylights.
Our number for holding costs stayed the same at $200,000.
When we close escrow, we'll make a profit of $125,000.